This lesson covers common jobs including chef, waiter, farmer, driver, and pilot. Each job has unique responsibilities and skills. Understanding these jobs helps build your English vocabulary. A chef is a person who professionally cooks food. Chefs plan menus, prepare ingredients, and cook meals for customers. A waiter works in a restaurant and serves food and drinks to customers. Waiters take orders, bring the food to tables, and make sure guests are happy. A farmer grows crops and raises animals on a farm. Farmers plant seeds, care for animals, and harvest food. A driver operates a vehicle to transport people or goods safely. Drivers must follow traffic rules and keep their vehicle well maintained. A pilot flies airplanes to carry passengers or cargo. Pilots control the aircraft and check that all safety measures are in place. They plan flight routes and communicate with air traffic control to ensure safe journeys. Chefs prepare and cook food in restaurants or hotels. They plan menus, manage kitchen staff, and ensure all meals are safe and tasty. Chefs also keep the kitchen clean and follow safety rules to protect food quality. Waiters work in restaurants to serve customers. They take orders, bring food and drinks, and help customers have a good dining experience. Waiters also handle payments and clean tables between guests. Farmers grow plants and take care of animals to produce food. They plant seeds, water crops, feed animals, and harvest food when it is ready. Farmers also use tools and machines to help with their work. Drivers operate cars, buses, or trucks to move people or goods. They follow traffic laws to stay safe and keep their vehicle in good condition. Drivers plan their routes to arrive on time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.